Ladies and gentlemen, ito po ang aming representative.
Philippines.
May extra. Anong pangalan mo? Ilang taon ka na? Lakasan mo ah.
All.
Saan ka nag-aaral?
Where do you go to school?
Where do you go to school?
Kasi mo, I go to. Ang galing ng apo ko. Narawanan na.
What is your mother's name? What is your father's name?
Ano?
What is your mommy's name?
Eleanor. Eleanor. Pahilan. Zakayo.
What is your ate's name?
Clarice.
Where do you live? Saan ka nakatira?
I
Yan.
live in Legawan. Antipolo City.
Kaway na. Yan na po ang aming representative.